State Education Minister Lakshman Rimboy on Thursday launched a 6-month certificate course for in-service untrained teachers at the pre-primary level. Speaking at the launch, Rimboy said that the course aims to enhance teacher quality, with over 35,000 elementary level teachers in the state currently unqualified. The Education Minister also said that the state government is working to train in-service untrained teachers, and the Directorate of Educational Research and Training will play a crucial role. He also told the gathering that the cabinet has approved the establishment of the Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy to provide high-quality teacher education. Rimboy also said that the academy will also focus on changing the curriculum, reorienting textbooks and teaching methodology. The Education Minister also emphasized the need to integrate artificial intelligence into the curriculum, stating that it's essential for students to learn about AI to stay relevant.
We need not only qualification, but also we need training. And more importantly, now, the education system, as I said every now and then, is very dynamic. We have to be on guard, we have to be ready for any changes. DRT, being a nodal agency in the state of Meghalaya, I'm very happy that you are preparing yourself to see that the teachers, the quality of teachers in the state live up to the standard as per mandated. And this is very, very important in the context of the Supreme Court ruling on the 1st of September this year, where TET is compulsory. And when we talk about TET, there is also the component of trade and on trade. So, and we know that more than 35,000 of our teachers in elementary education, which are not TET qualified. So it is an endeavor of the government to see in these 2 years if the Supreme Court does not review its judgment or modify its judgment in these 2 years, how to help those teachers who are in service, to train them, to help them qualify. So the role of the Education Department, the role of DRT is very, very important. And number 2, what is needed? It is needed that DRT, as I said, that it plays a very important role. Now we need that to work in a mission mode. We need to work in a mission mode because this course is long overdue, but it is better late than never. So I'm very happy that this step has been taken. Not only this step, you have launched 2 courses in the last month only, which will help the education system in our state. So now, how to go about it? Whether we are stopped at the 6 months or we will continue, as Bharat have already mentioned. Yesterday, I'm very thankful to the Honorable Cabinet of Meghalaya, Government of Meghalaya, that we have passed we have decided to establish the Meghalaya Teachers Training Academy. This will be working in collaboration with DRT, and as I said before, that DRT will have to play a very important role. They are playing, but they have to play more proactive in the days to come. Why we need this Meghalaya Teachers Training Academy? It is because we recognize that education of the child is no more like in our time. Now they have to keep up with every day. We have to change our curriculum every now and then. We have to change or reorient our textbook, reorientation of the teaching methodology, reorientation of pedagogy, and so on and so forth. So that's why training of teachers to have academy is very, very important. Because of that, as I said, I'm very thankful to the government that they accept the proposal of the education department to have this training academy. More importantly, now you have prepared the curriculum. It will come in 1 week, 10 days time. But now what aspect we miss? That aspect is that whether we like or we don't like, whether we accept or we don't accept, AI is the way forward. How to integrate the AI into the curriculum, that is very, very important. Because we have the child, as you said, as the director already mentioned, that 3 to 8 years, it is very important. The formative years of a child, the thought process of a child, it is very important to empower him. And we know that AI, for me, is very scary, but it is also very useful. So now I throw this idea to you, how to integrate the AI into the curriculum, because that is the way forward, as I said, whether we like or we didn't like.